Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a couple of my Christmas gifts that I thought were very creative, very fun or very interesting. This is just a small selection. And obviously 2020 has not been the greatest year for everyone, so this is not a video where I want to brag or anything like that. It's just something that I've been doing for so many years now, and it's always fun to look back and see what you got the last year. So this is also a little bit of memory keeping for me, and I hope you enjoy watching. Now, first of all, my mom got me this beautiful advent calendar by the brand Ifroche. So I had little doors to open every single day, and it came with a ton of beauty products, and I am using all of these right now. And on the 24th it had this lipstick which I'm currently wearing, and it's in the color 156, and this is the perfect red lipstick for me. I really love this color, and so I was super happy to receive this in my advent calendar. I'm just gonna say there's not gonna be any rhyme or reason to this video because I'm just not that organized. I'm just gonna grab what I think is interesting and show it to you. So the first thing is this book by Dailybooth. This is The Lives of Saints, and this is a short story collection which is beautifully illustrated. I can't really show you that well, but yeah, I'm very excited to read this, and I got this from the mom of my stepdad, so I was super happy to receive this book. Then my partner gave me this journal. This is not like a typical journal, but it has like very different things in here, but it also has like these very regular days and stuff like that, so you can keep organized. But it also has some like other things, like here you can color in what you're feeling like and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a very interesting thing. I'm not one to use planners a lot, so I will try to get some use out of this. And it also came with a ton of cute stickers to use with it. So we'll see. As I said, I'm not a huge planner user, but maybe I can get into this in 2021. Then my partner also got me the cutest cat socks. I already used a ton of them, so I don't have too many here to show you. But these one, I think they look the most like my cat, which is pissed at me at the moment. So yeah, she's not talking to me. But yeah, just some cute cat socks. Honestly, that is the kind of stuff that I freak out over. So I was really happy. I think he gave me like 5 pairs or even 6. So yeah, cat socks is the way to my heart. Then one of my friends gave me these hilarious cookie cutters that look like dinosaurs. So yeah, I'll definitely have to make some dinosaur cookies for my cooking channel. It's called Baking Cooking Fun, and it's always linked down below. So if you're interested in, cooking and baking, then check it out. But yeah, these cookie cutters are so cool. I can't wait to make dinosaur cookies. One thing I overlooked just there is this chocolate my partner gave me. It has little sheep because I love like cartoon sheep. I don't really love real sheep, they scare me, but the cartoon ones are cute, so he gave me this little chocolate as well. Then one of my friends gave me tons of white chocolate stuff, like this is a white Lion bar, some Reese's, peanut butter cups, white Twix, and stuff like that, because she knows I love white chocolate. So this was very thoughtful, and I had such a hard time to not eat these all as soon as I opened the box. So yay for me for having these here to show you. She also drew me this beautiful card. Look at that snowman. I really love this card. I think the art is stunning. I'm not a very like artsy person, so I could never do something like that. And it's not drawn, it's printed, I guess. So yeah, as I said, I have no idea what I'm talking about. So then my best friend got me this thing. This is from the organic shop. It's a body dessert, a softening bath foam, and it smells of chocolate and macadamia nuts. And it says on the lid that this is not for eating, because it honestly looks like you could eat it. Also smells like you could eat it, so I'm very interested to try this. Yeah, this is probably really fun to use. She also got some really fancy treats for my cat, but my cat is not very good with treats, so she doesn't recognize that this is edible. So I will probably give this to an animal shelter so some other cat can have a treat. If my cat really doesn't want it. It's such fancy stuff and she just doesn't get it. I also got a ton of candles, so these are the candles one of my friends gave me. And this is a candle my other friend gave me. And I think I'm gonna burn this one tonight. Then I have this little pouch, and in here are homemade soaps that the mom of my best friend made. And I'm really excited to try these. Right now I'm using a soap that I got as a gift, I think last year, and it's really not great. So I hope that I will be done with that one soon and I can use all of these because that one dries my skin out so much. And yeah, I just can't wait to use like nice soaps. These are so pretty and cool. And then my best friend made me this, what do you call it? Bookmark. It's a bookmark. Wow. The German word is just so different, so I just had a blackout right there. But this is a handmade bookmark. How cool is that? Do you see little cats on the bookshelves? Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. So I can't wait to use this. For now, I've kept it in the box, so I have it ready to show you. But yeah, I will use this for my reading now. And it's just so adorable. Like, oh my god, I love it. And then she gave me two books. One is in Latin. This is Erat Olim, and it is basically like Grimm fairy tales, but in Latin. So yeah, I'm all over that. It has translations as well, but it also has the Latin text. So yeah, I wanted to just do more Latin again, so this is perfect. I'm really excited about this. And then she also gave me a book. This is a German book. It's called Bella Clara by Petra Dost-Benning. I have no idea what it's about, but she gave me like a whole kind of guide with it because there's apparently 3 companion books in this series, and she picked out 3 of her friends and every one of us got one of the books, and so we have a certain time frame and we have to read the books up until then, and then we have to ship the book to the next person until we all get our book back. So it's kind of complicated, but kind of a cool idea. So I'm excited to see how it works out, but I have up until March to read this, so I have to read this quite soon. As I said, I have no idea what it's about or anything like that. I'm just gonna go in completely blind and just see how I like it. Then my other friend gave me these like drops. These are made out of algae and they are supposed to be very healthy, so I have to start using those. And then again, my best friend gave me some skincare as well, which is always very handy, especially this is hand cream. I always need hand cream. So the other one is an eye cream, so I'm excited to try all of these things. And then last but not least, my best friend drew me a picture. Can you see this? I mean, oh my gosh. Yeah, it is definitely something. I have to find a place for it, but I already have an idea where to put it. So yeah, I was very, very surprised, but it's very cute. I think he has the most beautiful face, to be honest. Yeah, it's so interesting. Like, it's not like my favorite animal or something like that, but it's just so cool that she drew something for me. So yeah, I will have to put him up later. Don't ask me why he's a male, I don't know. So then my family didn't give me like super crazy stuff this year, and one thing I wished for was the complete Penny Dreadful box set, because this is my favorite show and I wanted to rewatch it in October and it wasn't on Netflix anymore, and I was devastated because in my head it was like a Netflix series, but it isn't. So now I have the box set to rewatch this whenever I want. Penny Dreadful is like my life. It's like one of my top 3 TV shows, so very happy to have that. Then I also got some things for my kitchen, but most of them has already landed in the kitchen because I needed it. So yeah, this stands for all the kitchen stuff I got. I'm always happy to receive some new tools for the kitchen. I think it's really nice. So yeah, was very happy about that. And then my mum gave me this whole bag of DIY stuff. So we have some new socks that she made for me, some creams and some soaps and all that kind of goodness. And then she also gave me some more Ifroche stuff, so a little candle, and this smells of baked apples, which is amazing. Like, all these things are the baked apple scent, and I love it so much. I had some of it in my advent calendar, and it's like the best scent they ever made. So very happy about that. We have a little Santa Claus here, some tea, and yeah, just more of these things. So we have the shower gel, the hand cream, and the hand soap, and the little candle from this baked apple line, which is amazing. So yeah, my mom is just the best at doing stuff by herself, like, you know, making socks or making soaps and creams and stuff. So yeah, I'm in awe of that, to be honest. And then my grandparents got me a ton of stuff from this very fancy beauty line. So this is L'Herbolario, something like that. The scent is called Golden Bouquet, and yeah, it looks very fancy. It seems to be Italian as well, and I think that's why they got it, because I am trying to learn Italian, so they thought, well, it's Italian. So this has a shower gel and a body cream, and they also got me the hand soap, but I can't reach it right now, so imagine a hand soap with this one as well. And then my family got me a ton of Christmas decorations, and I guess most of this is not interesting to any of you, but I wanted to show you this one. This is something to put in the window, and it's like this little village, and you can light it up, and it's really, really cute, very traditional for the area that I'm from. So this is huge, like this is the length of my arm. But yeah, Christmas decorations, woohoo! So these would be all the more exciting gifts that I got this Christmas. Also, my other grandma gave me some money so I can buy myself a new dehumidifier, because my flat is very, very humid, and that's obviously not good in winter time when it's very cold. So yeah, I have already ordered that, but it's not here yet, and I don't think you're very interested in that. It's just a very practical gift, but not like the most pretty one. So yeah, that would be it. I would love to hear what your favorite gift this year was. I think that I gave some really good gifts this year, so I had a ton of fun giving gifts, and I always enjoy giving gifts a lot. So yeah, I had a great time. I hope you had a wonderful end of 2020, even though this year was so messed up. I hope that you could just settle down a little bit, and I hope that you will have a wonderful 2021. So yeah, this was just a quick video I wanted to share with you for the beginning of the new year. I hope it's not completely irrelevant yet. I know many people have already moved on from Christmas, but I just took my time with this because I wasn't in the mood to film before this, and so now we did it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a lovely time, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!